Hi, and welcome to this new video. Today, I would like to offer you my help in a much more effective and intense way. As I started, I wished there would have been such flexible solutions like nowadays. Back in those days, wow, I never thought I would ever say this. If you didn't know experienced producers in the real world, you only had the choice to invest several $1,000s and often move to another city for taking courses at special schools. Or to figure out everything yourself, which often took ages, and if I had had a teacher, it would have saved me a lot of headaches. Luckily for everybody these days, there are many working ways to get all kind of informations. But there's still one difficulty left. How to filter down this flood of information to what you really need. And even more difficult, how can you put this theoretical information, even if you already managed to filter it down, into practice so that it works best for you in your individual situation? Besides of endless trial and error and starting again to teach you everything yourself, I can imagine just one really working way. What could be better than an experienced producer sitting right next to you who can intervene and point the right way in every possible and impossible situation? Learn from the successful. No one can show you better how something works than someone who has already done it successfully umpteen times. Sure, this is somewhat true for video tutorials too, but they never match 100% your individual situation. A tutorial can only show how something works in general, but will mostly not match exactly what you need in this moment. Watching somebody making a perfect drop or break is fine, makes sense in this moment, and can give you some ideas. But sitting at your own project and doing everything yourself, finding the right way for you, is something completely different. No matter what problems you are facing, no matter what you like to learn or need to know, if it's song structure, basic music theory, using essential effects, sound design, mixing techniques, fixing or avoiding problems, learning FL Studio or other DAWs, learning third-party plugins, basic mastering, creating atmosphere or FX sounds, or how to create tension and release in a song. I can guide you through the process in English, auf Deutsch, o si prefieres en una mezcla con un poquito de español. This way, I can completely adjust to your level of knowledge and experience, and instead of wasting time telling you things you already know, we can concentrate on what you're still missing. And the best thing is, I will make it affordable for everyone. I know there are a lot of producers out there offering private lessons, but from what I've seen, it's quite expensive. I don't want to diss any of them, but $80 for an hour? That's the average from what I've seen, apart from some sales at 50% here and then. Perhaps they've got good reasons for that. And maybe it's because of the general attitude that only what is expensive is also good. However, as long as I am able to manage it, I like to do it differently. I was thinking of 29 euros an hour and the package price of 115 euros for 5 hours, that you get 1 hour for free. You know my videos. Not everything that is good has to be expensive. All you need is a microphone and a registration for the conference software Zoom, which is completely free and very easy to set up and to use. Zoom allows a very good audio quality, screen sharing in both ways with remote control, which is perfect for such lessons. If you are interested, just send me an email to morflstricks@yahoo.com and I will get in contact with you. As always, in this case the email address is in the description. Because I already got requests for this, I hope this might be helpful for some of you. Stay tuned for the next videos, and thank you for watching.